In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Asana. If you're looking to automate routine work, like weekly reports, monthly invoices, or daily stand-ups, this walkthrough will help you set it up clearly and confidently so nothing gets missed. Start by opening Asana in Google Chrome and signing into your account. Using Chrome keeps the experience smooth and ensures the latest features load correctly. Once you're in, navigate to the specific project where you want your recurring tasks to live. Keeping recurring work in the right project makes it easier to track progress, report on outcomes, and keep your team aligned. Create a new task in that project. As you create it, give it a clear, action-based title so anyone on your team knows exactly what needs to happen. Add relevant details now, like an assignee, a concise description, tags, or attachments, because those details will carry forward each time the task repeats. Think of this task as your template for the routine work you're automating. Click the task to open its full details pane. In the details, find the due date field and click it. You'll see the date picker along with an option to make the task repeat. Choose Set to Repeat. Now pick the cadence that fits your workflow. Daily for tasks you do every workday, weekly for recurring check-ins or Friday reviews, and monthly for items tied to a specific date or a particular weekday each month. You can also fine-tune things like the specific day of the week or the time, which helps with reminders and calendar syncing. Align the schedule with your sprint cycle, billing calendar, or team rituals so the timing makes sense. After choosing your schedule, confirm and save the task. At this point, the task becomes a recurring template. In Asana, that means when you complete the current instance, a new one will automatically appear with the next due date based on your schedule. The name, assignee, project, and most details you added will copy forward. If your process changes later, simply adjust the description or assignee in the current task, and those updates will be reflected in future instances. A couple of tips. If you prefer the next task not to appear until the current one is fully done, wait to mark it complete. Asana generates the next occurrence upon completion. If you don't immediately see the Set to Repeat option, try refreshing the page. Finally, double-check that the task sits in the correct project and that the right people are followers so they get notified. And that's it. You've set up a reliable system for recurring work in Asana, saving time and reducing the chance of anything slipping through the cracks.